Let me show you how to install applications on your iPhone 17 and also 17 Pro. So to install any application, we actually have to go in our App Store. So in your library over here, so you will see this A button. So that is the App Store, or you can also enter here. So you see App Store, and let's launch it. So you have different categories for different apps that you can basically choose from. Or also you can simply search for anything here as well. For example, let's search for WhatsApp. And then if you want to download, you can quickly tap this clothing over here. Or you can also click on the app itself. You will see more details about the app, some screenshots, and even some reviews as well about it. So let's click this to download it. And also it will automatically install it once it finishes the download process as well. So simply wait. Okay. And once the app is downloaded, so you can either click this button over here to open up the app, or also it gets instantly placed on your home screen as well. So you can also if you click and hold on any blank space of your screen, you can enable this wiggle mode essentially, so you can actually move around this newly installed app somewhere else on the screen. Also, when you are installing some apps that also might have some paid options in them, you might also ask, this App Store also might ask you to enter your password, basically your Apple account password, to authorize basically this download. Again, you aren't paying anything at this stage, but again, if the app has some paid options, you can also pay basically in the future. It will ask for your password as well. Anyway, good luck.